Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will be discussing about real estate investment strategies for wealth building. Real estate investment is one of the most popular and effective ways to build wealth. It has a proven track record of creating wealth for many investors, and it's a field that offers a lot of opportunities for success. However, it's also true that building wealth through real estate investment can be challenging and requires careful planning, research, and implementation. In this video, we will explore some of the top real estate investment strategies that can help you achieve success, whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner. From rental properties and flipping houses to REITs and crowdfunding, we'll cover everything you need to know to make smart real estate investment decisions and build wealth over time. Introduction to real estate investment and its potential for wealth building. Unlike other investment options, real estate offers a unique blend of tangible assets and potential for cash flow. By investing in properties, you not only acquire a physical asset but also have the opportunity to generate passive income through rental payments or property appreciation. The allure of real estate lies in its ability to provide both short-term and long-term returns. In the short term, rental income can help cover mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs, while in the long term, property values tend to appreciate over time, allowing investors to build substantial equity. Moreover, real estate investments offer a certain level of control and flexibility. As an investor, you have the power to make strategic decisions such as property selection, renovations, and rental management, all of which can contribute to maximizing your returns. Of course, like any investment, real estate comes with its own set of risks and challenges. Market fluctuations, tenant turnovers, and unforeseen expenses are all factors that investors must be prepared to navigate. However, with proper research, due diligence, and a solid investment strategy, these risks can be mitigated, and the potential for wealth building can be significantly enhanced. In this video, we will explore some of the top real estate investment strategies that can help you achieve success in building wealth. From rental properties to fix and flip ventures, we will delve into the various approaches that seasoned investors use to generate substantial returns. So, whether you're a novice investor looking to dip your toes into the real estate market or an experienced player seeking to expand your portfolio, this comprehensive video will equip you with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed investment decisions and harness the full potential of real estate for wealth building. Understanding different real estate investment strategies. One popular strategy is buy and hold investing. This involves purchasing properties with the intention of renting them out for passive income. With this strategy, you can benefit from both rental income and potential appreciation of the property over time. It requires a long-term mindset and the ability to manage tenants and property maintenance effectively. Another strategy is fix and flip investing. This involves purchasing properties that are in need of repairs or renovations, making the necessary improvements, and then selling them quickly for a profit. This strategy requires a keen eye for identifying undervalued properties, as well as project management skills to oversee the renovations. For those seeking a more hands-off approach, real estate investment trusts, REITs, are worth considering. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in REITs, you can gain exposure to various types of properties without the need for direct ownership or management responsibilities. This strategy offers diversification and liquidity, making it suitable for investors looking for a passive income stream. Additionally, there are opportunities in commercial real estate, such as investing in office buildings, retail spaces, or industrial properties. Commercial real estate investments can provide higher rental yields and long-term lease agreements, but they also come with higher upfront costs and potential risks. Whichever strategy you choose, it is essential to thoroughly research and analyze the market, understand the local regulations and trends, and evaluate the potential risks and returns. Real estate investment can be a powerful wealth-building tool, but it requires careful planning, due diligence, and a long-term perspective to achieve success. Long-term rental properties, pros, cons, and how to get started. One of the major advantages of long-term rental properties is the potential for a steady and reliable income stream. With tenants paying rent on a monthly basis, you can generate consistent cash flow that can help cover the mortgage, property expenses, and even provide you with passive income. Additionally, rental properties have the potential for long-term appreciation, meaning the value of the property may increase over time, allowing you to build equity. However, it's important to consider the potential downsides and challenges associated with long-term rental properties. First and foremost, being a landlord requires time, effort, and a certain level of expertise. From finding suitable tenants to dealing with maintenance and repairs, managing rental properties can be demanding. To get started with long-term rental properties, you'll need to do your due diligence. Begin by researching the local real estate market to identify areas with high rental demand and favorable rental yields. Consider factors such as job growth, population trends, and rental vacancy rates. This data will help you make informed decisions when selecting the right property to invest in. Financing is another critical aspect to consider. You can explore traditional mortgage options or alternative financing methods such as private lenders or partnerships. It's important to have a solid understanding of the financials involved, including the potential for rental income, operating expenses, and cash reserves for unexpected costs. Once you have acquired a property, it's crucial to screen potential tenants thoroughly. Conduct background checks, verify income and employment, and obtain references to ensure you're selecting reliable and responsible tenants. Establishing clear lease agreements and setting expectations from the beginning can also help minimize conflicts and ensure a smooth rental experience. Flipping houses, tips for successfully buying, renovating, and selling properties. To start, it's crucial to carefully choose the right property to flip. Look for properties in desirable locations with potential for appreciation. Research the local market to understand the demand and price trends in the area. Consider factors such as the neighborhood, amenities, and proximity to schools, shopping centers, and transportation. Once you've found a suitable property, it's time to create a realistic budget for the renovation process. Take into account all the necessary repairs, upgrades, and cosmetic changes needed to make the property attractive to potential buyers. Remember to allocate a contingency fund for unexpected expenses that may arise during the renovation. When renovating the property, it's important to strike a balance between quality and cost. Focus on making improvements that will increase the property's value without overspending on unnecessary upgrades. Consider working with experienced contractors and professionals who can help guide you through the renovation process and ensure that the work is done efficiently and effectively. In addition to the physical aspects of the property, don't overlook the importance of staging and marketing. Present the property in the best possible light by staging it with tasteful furniture and decor. Hire a professional photographer to capture high-quality images that showcase the property's potential. Utilize online listings, social media, and traditional marketing channels to reach a wide audience of potential buyers. Flipping houses can be a profitable real estate investment strategy when done correctly. By following these tips and conducting thorough video, you can increase your chances of success and maximize your returns in the competitive world of house flipping. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, exploring the benefits and considerations. One of the major benefits of investing in REITs is the ability to diversify your real estate portfolio. Instead of investing all your capital in a single property, you can spread your investment across various types of real estate assets and locations. This diversification helps mitigate risks and reduces the impact of any one property underperforming. Another advantage of REITs is the potential for regular cash flow. REITs are legally required to distribute a significant portion of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This means that investors can earn regular income from their investment without the need to actively manage properties or deal with tenants. However, it's important to consider some key factors before investing in REITs. Firstly, it's crucial to research and understand the specific REIT you're interested in. Different REITs focus on different types of properties and have varying investment strategies. Assessing their financial health, management team, and track record is essential for making informed investment decisions. Additionally, investors should be aware of the tax implications of investing in REITs. While REIT dividends are often taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income, they may still be subject to taxation. Consulting with a tax professional can help you understand the tax implications and optimize your investment strategy. We hope you found our video on top real estate investment strategies for building wealth helpful. Investing in real estate can be an excellent way to grow your wealth, but it's important to have a solid strategy in place. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to success in the real estate market. Remember, real estate investment is a long-term game, so be patient and make informed decisions. We wish you the best of luck on your journey to building wealth through real estate. Don't forget to like my video, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button for more videos.